Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we dive deep into the most lucrative and forward-thinking ways to manage your money. Today we're covering something that's not just trendy, it's transformative. How can AI and SEO help you build a money-making website? If you've ever wondered how to turn your online presence into a cash-generating machine, stick around, because we're about to break down the essential steps and tools to make that a reality. Now, what if I told you that with the right AI tools, you could have a fully functional website up and running without being a tech genius or spending thousands of dollars on a developer? And that's not all. What if I also told you that you could supercharge that website's performance with SEO to ensure you actually start making money? Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's totally possible. And today we'll explore how AI website builders can make that happen. Specifically, we're diving into popular builders like ZipWP, Hostinger, and Wix. You'll see how they compare, and we'll even touch on why using WordPress might be a more strategic long-term move for building a sustainable, profitable online presence. Let's start with some of the top AI-powered website builders. ZipWP is a rising star in the world of website creation, leveraging AI to automate much of the process. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, ZipWP makes it incredibly easy to set up a professional website. The AI takes care of the design, layout, and even the content, all based on your specific niche and goals. If you're someone looking to get a website up and running fast and want minimal effort, ZipWP could be a great fit. It's simple, intuitive, and includes built-in SEO optimization tools that are a game changer for boosting your site's visibility. Next up, Hostinger. While Hostinger is primarily known for its web hosting, it also offers an AI-driven website builder that's worth considering. This builder is perfect for those who want a straightforward setup but still need advanced features like scalability. Hostinger combines AI with traditional website building tools, giving you the flexibility to create a site that fits your specific needs. It's an excellent option for those who are looking to grow their business over time without worrying about switching platforms. Then there's Wix. You've probably heard of it. It's one of the most popular website builders out there, and for a good reason. Wix's AI capabilities help you design a personalized website in minutes, selecting the best design elements based on your preferences. With an intuitive drag-and-drop interface and tons of templates, Wix is ideal for people looking to create beautiful websites without a steep learning curve. Plus, it comes with a suite of SEO tools to ensure your site gets the traffic it deserves. Now, let's talk about why WordPress remains a powerhouse when it comes to building money-making websites. While tools like Wix and Hostinger are amazing for beginners, WordPress gives you a level of control and flexibility that's hard to beat. First, WordPress is open source, meaning it's free to use, and you're not tied to one platform. With Wix, for instance, you're locked into their ecosystem. If you ever want to move your site or make substantial changes, you might hit roadblocks. WordPress, on the other hand, gives you complete ownership of your website. You can move it to any hosting provider, integrate any tool, and scale your site as your business grows. Moreover, WordPress's massive plugin ecosystem means you can enhance your site's functionality with ease. From advanced SEO tools like Yoast to e-commerce plugins like WooCommerce, the possibilities are endless. You can build a fully fledged online store or a blog that generates passive income without hitting any limitations. Now, what about SEO? This is where the real magic happens. Building a website is just the beginning. Getting traffic is the hard part, and that's where SEO comes in. Thankfully, AI is making SEO much more accessible, even for beginners. For instance, you can use ChatGPT-powered SEO tools that analyze your content and provide suggestions on how to improve it for better search engine ranking. These tools can help you optimize your blog posts, product pages, and even your meta descriptions, ensuring that you're using the right keywords and targeting the best topics for your audience. What's even better is that many of these AI SEO tools are completely free, so you don't have to spend a fortune to get the benefits of advanced optimization. Let's take a look at a case study here. Amelia is a small business owner who started with Wix to build her website and integrate SEO tools. She created content for her blog and optimized it using the AI-driven tools within Wix. After a few months, her traffic grew, but she was still limited by the platform's restrictions. After switching to WordPress and integrating a more advanced SEO plugin, like Yoast, she saw even more growth. She could control her content strategy, optimize better, and take full ownership of her website. So which one is right for you? If you're just starting out and need an easy way to get a website online, tools like ZipWP, Hostinger, and Wix are fantastic choices. But if you're serious about building a long-term, scalable business with complete control over your website and SEO, WordPress is the way to go. Remember, building a money-making website takes time and strategy. It's not just about having a pretty design, it's about creating value for your audience and ensuring they can find you online. Now, which one of these platforms would you consider for your own website? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you understand the power of AI in building a website and optimizing it for SEO, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more insider tips on how to build wealth in today's digital world. And don't forget, this content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. If you found this insightful, you'll definitely want to check out our next video. It's going to take your digital marketing game to the next level. Click the video on screen now.